And so the SDG Challenge program is a chance to really bring together all of these challenges that we face, a set of toolkits for students to work through, an experience that they're going to gain, and ultimately an opportunity to unlock access to further higher education. And for me, I think that was the primary goal, is for us to really be thinking about how can we use this motivating set of challenges that we face on the policy side to enable that growth as a pre-college program. As a program, what this is really oriented around is unlocking a series of opportunities, both for you to engage with fellow students, engage with faculty and staff from the University of Chicago, while also working on this important challenge. And the goal here is that as students who are potentially traveling abroad to experience this program, we want to ensure that we both give you the skill set to enable you to be successful during the program, but we're also unlocking a series of opportunities outside of that. It's an opportunity both for you to be thinking about, how am I going to spend parts of my summer? How am I going to spend that in a way that enables me to grow as a person, to grow as an intellectual, to grow as someone who's aware of the world around me? That's all part of it, but of course, big picture, we are interested in enabling you to be successful in the college admissions process. And the way that you should be thinking about this as that opportunity is that really this is a pathway for you to gain more exposure, especially to the University of Chicago, but we're there to enable you to be successful whether or not this is the landing place for you, or if it's a different university, whether it's in the country of origin or perhaps here in the United States. And so we're here to give you hopefully a full suite of opportunities, right, to engage with one another, to think about a policy challenge, to talk to teaching staff and faculty. We have a phenomenal teaching team that will be there with us, but also big picture for you to plan out the next step of your life. You've got a big chapter ahead.